In this video, we will review the process for utilizing the iShield Key Pro's PIV interface for public key authentication over SSH. We will utilize the popular tools provided by PuTTY and OpenSSH. First, let's view the credentials stored on the iShield key. Open the iShield Key Manager and on the PIV card, click the Browse button. There are currently two certificates available. Slot 9A contains a certificate issued during a smart card enrollment. Slot 9D contains the SSH certificate, including public and private key imported from the user's profile. Now let's see how these credentials can be used by PuTTY. Launch the PuTTY application. Expand the SSH option from the main menu and select Certificate. Click the button for Set CAPI Cert. Select the More Choices option to view the available certificates. Notice the smart card icon, which indicates the certificates that are stored on the iShield key. Selecting the certificate that was imported to slot 9D, we can review a convenient feature provided by PuTTY to copy the public key to the server. Click the Copy to Clipboard button. In this video, I will use WinSCP to access the authorized key files on the target server. Simply select a new line and then paste. Then save this file. Return to PuTTY. Ensure that the Attempt Certificate checkbox is active. Then scroll up to Session and provide the hostname or IP address of our target server. Click Open to initiate the connection. At the prompt, provide the username for the target server. Provide the PIN for your iShield Key Pro's PIV interface. You have now established an SSH connection to the target server. Next, we'll repeat the process using OpenSSH. You must download and install the Swissbit OpenSC Project from GitHub. Find the link to the repo in the description of this video. Click the button for Setup Type Complete. Next, browse to the .ssh folder within your user profile. Next, create a new text document with the file name config with no extension. Now open the file with a text editor such as Notepad. Create an entry for the PKCS11 provider as displayed on the screen and included in the description of this video. Save your changes and then open a command prompt. Enter the same command that you would normally use to connect to the target server. You will be prompted directly within the console for your iShield key PIN. Thank you for watching this video. Swissbit looks forward to supporting you on your passwordless journey.